Most people butcher their AI video prompts, and that's why their clips look like cheap cartoons. Stick around. I'm revealing how to write the perfect VO3 prompt so your videos stand out every single time. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel AI Academy Hub, your go-to spot for honest AI reviews and tutorials. Today, I'm breaking down how to use VEO3, the latest video generation tool right inside the Gemini app or your Gemini desktop. By the end, you'll know exactly how to craft killer prompts, what to avoid, and how to turn this magic into daily productivity and maybe even cash. First things first, open your Gemini app or Gemini desktop and make sure you're logged in. Click on VEO3 from your tool's sidebar. It's designed to be plug and play, so no heavy downloads or plugins needed. Pick your aspect ratio, landscape for YouTube, portrait for shorts, then get ready to write your prompt. Here's where most people mess up. Your prompt is everything. Be visual and specific. Describe what you want clearly. A cinematic drone shot flying over misty mountains at sunrise. Don't just write vague stuff like nice nature video. Use adjectives for mood, foggy, vibrant, gloomy, and include camera styles, close-up, wide shot, slow motion. The clearer you are, the less editing you'll need later. AI are just like men. They like things simple, straight, and detailed. Comment down if you agree. Now let's check some quick what you should do and what you should avoid while giving prompts. You should break long ideas into short, clear sentences. Use references like a Pixar scene or in the style of a vintage documentary. You shouldn't overload it with conflicting ideas. Anime style but realistic, horror but cartoon for kids. Trust me, you'll get a nightmare blob. You should experiment with drafts. It's cheap to generate variations. And you shouldn't expect perfection in one go. AI is smart, but your creativity still drives it. Once you nail your prompts, VEO3 is a powerhouse. You can whip up promo clips, social content, or B-rolls in minutes. It saves you hours of editing, freeing up time for work, family, or just breathing for once. Plus, you can sell these videos on freelance sites, use them to boost your own YouTube channel, or make custom content for brands. Zero camera gear needed, just your brain and a keyboard. Also, I'll be giving out some free prompts for VEO3 on the screen, where you can get it from the description, and I'll also provide updated prompts on the pinned comments later. You can simply copy-paste them and fill out the detailing part according to your mood and desires. So that's your crash course on using VEO3 inside Gemini. Be specific, experiment smart, and let the AI handle the grunt work. Perfect for daily tasks, creative projects, and a sneaky side hustle or two. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe, drop your wildest prompt idea in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy creating!